Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make ready-made tortilla wraps. Start by gathering your simple ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. These dry ingredients form the base of our delicious wraps. Next, prepare 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil and 3/4 of a cup of warm water. The warm water is crucial for activating the baking powder and creating a pliable dough, making our tortillas soft and easy to work with. Now let's get mixing. In a large bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients, the flour, salt, and baking powder. Then, pour in the 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Gradually add the 3/4 of a cup of warm water, mixing until a shaggy dough comes together. Turn it out onto a lightly floured surface and knead for about 5 to 7 minutes. You'll know it's ready when it feels smooth and elastic, not sticky. After kneading, it's time for a little rest. Cover your dough with a clean kitchen towel and let it sit for 20 minutes at room temperature. This resting period is super important because it allows the gluten to relax, making your dough much easier to roll out later. Once rested, divide the dough into 8 equal pieces. Each piece should be roughly 50 grams. Roll each portion into a smooth, tight ball. Finally, let's roll and cook. Lightly flour your surface and roll each dough ball into a thin 8-inch circle. Aim for about 1/16 of an inch thick. Heat a dry skillet or griddle over medium-high heat. Cook each tortilla for about 30 to 60 seconds per side until you see small bubbles and light brown spots appear. Stack your freshly cooked tortillas and cover them with a clean towel to keep them warm and pliable. Enjoy your homemade wraps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.